Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your no signal or black screen with your Fire TV Cube. Now, the first thing is to just check your HDMI cable. Make sure it's plugged into here, the HDMI out. Then plug it into one of the HDMI slots on the back of your TV. Now, if slot 1 isn't working, try number 2, 3, or 4. Now, some TVs have a specific slot for higher refresh rates, so mine would be slot number 4. If I want to get like 120 hertz output in my games. Then another thing that we could try is unplugging everything and then plugging it back in. So if our TV isn't working, simply take the cable and then unplug it and then wait 1 or 2 minutes and then just hard reset it and plug it back in. Then we want to do the same thing with our Fire TV Cube. Now, if you're trying to plug this into a power strip, try plugging it directly into the wall outlet. This could be the reason why it's not turning on or it's not getting a signal, because you have it plugged into a power strip and there's simply not enough power from that. Maybe you're splitting the energy to all the different devices, and plugging it directly into a wall outlet will fix that issue for you. So mine is powering on now. Now, there could be an issue with the resolution set on your Fire TV Cube and your TV, and that's why it's showing up as like a black screen. So we could hold down the rewind button and the up button at the same time and just continue to hold this down for about 10 seconds and see if a screen pops up where we can change the resolution. Here it is. So the current resolution is 2160 at 60 hertz, and this is just going to cycle through the available resolutions. So maybe there was an incompatible resolution. Just cycling through these will fix this issues. And then you can always go to use current resolution. Then eventually it'll get to the point where it will just select a resolution automatically for you. Otherwise, you can go to display under settings right here, and then you can just go to auto. Now, another thing that you could try is factory resetting your Fire TV Cube. So if you can't see anything, hold down the back button and then the right dial button at the same time. So if we continue to hold this down, a screen will pop up where it says factory reset your TV Cube. And if you don't select anything, it's going to go ahead and just reset it automatically. So it says factory reset has been initiated and will automatically occur in 12 seconds. So you can go to OK or cancel it out right here. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.